So it's the morning of March 24th, 2022, and the barn owl, I completed it yesterday, or the day before yesterday, just to get a last bit of detailing on it, sandblasted. Then I used the oxyacetylene to give it some colour. Finished off the talons. They're looking pretty good. I'm liking the texture on the face. Might be a couple more bits I want to do there. It's looking good. It's lacquered for outside, with the exception of the face, because I want to take some of the colour off the face that bled into this area here. So I want to clean that so it's all silver, I guess, and just have the colour extending around the edges. But it's full size, I guess. My hand for scale. And it looks well out here. I'd like to find a nice spot now to perch it. Maybe close to the chicken coop, just outside the chicken coop, to keep any rodents away. I'm not sure if it would act like a scarecrow, but that would be pretty cool if it did. Or if somebody wants to buy it, send me a message. It is advertised on a number of different social media sites, and when the website's complete, it'll be up there as well, if it's still here. It's mounted on that mount to support 4-inch post. Let the cars go by. Which is that post now, that's 4 inches by 4 inches. I sandblasted it to take the shine off it. I didn't want it too shiny and reflective. What are you doing over there? Happy dog. Lovely morning this morning, and then 10 minutes later it was foggy, and now it's clearing up. It's burned off a little bit. So yeah, that's that done. I'm going to move on to something different now. I'm going to work on a raven, and also a new alien head sculpture. So they're going to be next on the list. Okay, that's that for now.